Today I will be showing how to troubleshoot the critical error notification that is being reported among the Windows 10 community. Basically, it's saying that there's an error that's occurred in the shell infrastructure. Host, Start Menu, Cortana, and some apps may not be available. Please save your work and sign out to recover. I'm going to be showing in this video how to recover from that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go under your taskbar here, right click on it, click on Task Manager, left click on that, click on More Details, go under File, Run New Task, type in CMD, and then checkmark Create this task with administrative privileges. Click OK. Now that we have a command window open, we can type our command in. So type in SFC space / scan now. Click on Enter. SFC stands for System File Checker, and basically what that'll do is scan protected system files, and if it finds any corrupted files, it will replace it with another copy. Now this will take some time depending on how many files are on your computer. I would generally allot at least an hour to this process. That's a good rough ballpark estimate. Now this method is not guaranteed to work for everyone. I have made other troubleshooting videos and I've said the same thing, that there are several unique cases and this is not a guarantee to fix your problem, but definitely not something bad to try, and you never know, it might pick up on other issues you might have later on down the road. So all around it's a good tool to have. So I hope this video helped you out, and I will see you in the next tutorial.